To do contour cutting in Flexi, first you have to set up the template. In this case, I'm set as A4 in portrait view. And then you can import your vector graphics. In this case, I'm just going to use some text. Now we will place the contour line around the graphics. First select all the graphics and then go on to effects and then contour cut. Set as contour. You can choose the thickness of your contour. In this case, 0.250. You can choose whether to cut the holes or not. And then you have to tick the green tick to confirm your selection. The next thing to do is to place the registration mark. You do this by going to Effects. First you select the items, then go into Effects, Contour Cut Mark. You can adjust the distance of the registration mark. I would recommend using 4 points because that's the most accurate. And then choose the green tick to apply your changes. Now you can see the red contour cutting icon has light up and you can use it to do contour cut. To do contour cut, first you need to print the design from File, Print. And then you have to press the Cut Contour button on the top. Select the correct machine and then press Send. And then this menu will come up. We're going to use the manual way. With the printed design, you've got your registration mark. And then you will feed into the machine this way. On the display, we switch on the optical eye. So you select local enter and then select on. Now we're going to set the startup position. It should be outside 0.1 from the bottom right because the machine works from the right to the left and it can never do negative. So as long as the optical eye is within the bottom right of number 1, that should be fine. It doesn't have to be on the paper itself. On the interface, select current, then enter. back to the computer. We're going to select Contour Cut. Select the right machine and then press send. Select interactive alignment menu. In this screen, you can use the keyboard to move the LED pointer. First, locate point 1. On the computer, press enter. It will go to near the point 2. Press enter. To point 3. Press enter. To point 4. At this point, you don't press enter. What you need to do is turn off the optical eye. For some time, the machine will be still talking to the cutter. So what you need to do, if this happens, you have to hold down on the enter key and then tap onto the keyboard on your computer, just very lightly. And what you will see, it will go back to the normal screen. At this point, you have to select off to turn off the LED pointer, and then selecting current and press enter. Now it's ready to cut. You can confirm the last point, and then once you press the next OK button, it will start cutting. This is how you do contour cutting on SC with Flexi starter.